I need your help regarding furnace error code 33 for carrier Bryant and Payne systems.
Code 33 on a carrier furnace means the limit or flame rollout switch is open.
I think that's the error I'm seeing.
If either the limit or flame rollout switch are open more than 3 minutes, the code switches to a code 13.
I could reset the furnace and see which error I get before it tells me what else is wrong. But what do I do about it?
You should first check to see if the blower is defective.
The first way to check that is to listen to the silence of it not blowing.
If the motor is humming, you know something has burned out. If the blades spin when you push them but not from the motor, it could be a solenoid.
And if they are really hard to push, the least it needs is oil.
The problem could also be a start capacitor for the motor.
I can barely find that for the motor and compressor for my fridge. I'll have to call an HVAC person to get it for the furnace blower motor.
It could also be a loose blower wheel.
The squeaking alone should make that obvious.
You can have the code 33 error due to lack of airflow triggering the limit switch.
I can clean the filter and see if that's enough, though I doubt it.
The flame rollout switch and limit switch could end up open because there is insufficient combustion air supply. If it isn't the inducer motor pulling air or the filter blocking it, now you're down to the ducts.
Or something else.
The code 33 error on the furnace could be due to an open flame rollout switch.
If it were due to an actual flame, I don't know if I could sense it now, but it might be visible when I reset the furnace.
Just make sure you don't try to reset it more than once manually, since that's a condition when you want the furnace to shut down.
It might be due to the switches being bad.
Yes, both a bad flame rollout switch or limit switch could cause the error. You can guess that if airflow is fine or you can't flip the switch manually.
I've heard there were other reasons you could have the error.
The fuse links for the flame rollout switch are rarely bad but could be. Likewise, the limit switch connections could be bad.
At which point, I'll feel less bad about paying someone else to tell me the wiring and switches are bad, versus paying them to flip a switch and hit the reset button.